Now you've bought your Landroid robot mower, we're sure you will soon be enjoying the benefits of having a grass management system. While it takes complete care of your lawn, you can get on with other things, or simply have more time to relax and enjoy your garden. And you don't need to worry about the cuttings. As the Landroid mows your lawn each day, the fine grass cuttings fall down to the root level, fertilizing the grass, giving you a greener and healthier looking lawn in a process called mulching. Once the boundary wire and docking station is installed, your Landroid mower is plug and play straight out of the box and will mow your lawn fast and efficiently. But if you connect it to your home Wi-Fi using the app, it will use your home Wi-Fi to intelligently navigate your garden and connect to the cloud so the auto schedule can decide the best times and how long to mow your lawn. And Worx Landroid uses our PowerShare batteries, so you'll be able to use your Worx Landroid PowerShare battery with any other Worx Power tools. Now that's convenience. If it starts raining, your Landroid has a rain sensor and will stop mowing the lawn. Wet grass can clump together, reducing the effectiveness of mulching, and the wheels can lose traction in the wet, which could damage your lawn. The cut to edge feature of our medium and large models incorporates offset blades to cut right up to the edge of the lawn. To cope with the most complex of lawns, Worx has a range of clever accessories that might be useful for you. So here are a few ideas on how to configure your Landroid exactly for your garden. Landroid intelligently navigates around your garden using its artificial intelligence and the information it stores in the cloud. That's great, but what if you have a lot of trees in your garden and you don't want to wire them all off? Or you have children that leave toys in the garden? Or maybe you have things that come and go or move around on the lawn like garden furniture or stubborn pets. Well, the ACS is an anti-collision sensor that stops your Landroid from bumping into things. Using high-grade ultrasonic sensors to detect objects in the Landroid's pathway, the autopilot software reroutes the mower effortlessly, bypassing obstacles and continuing on its way. Installing the ACS is as simple as connecting two CAN cables and fitting the module to the top of your Landroid. The ACS is automatically detected, activated, and works straight out of the box. The Landroid screen and app will indicate that it's active. Some gardens have temporary or seasonal objects, such as a paddling pool during the summer or a trampoline. These items tend to keep their position for a period of time, and an off-limits module is a convenient way to keep your Landroid away from these areas while they're in use. Using a special magnetic wire that surrounds the area to be excluded, it creates a no-go area which the Landroid can detect and maneuvers to avoid. It can be another way of handling a garden with lots of trees. Think of it as adding some extra boundary wire, but without having to connect it to or change your current boundary wire installation. A really flexible solution. And because it's not electrically powered, you can move it wherever and whenever you want. Installation is easy. There's a small sensor module which is fitted to the underside of your Landroid. Remove the cover and connect the module cable. Replace the cover and you're ready to go. If you have a large garden, or your garden is separated from your house, and your Wi-Fi coverage is limited, you may want to consider Radio Link. This is a simple module that can be installed into the Landroid so that it maintains a constant connection to your router, up to half a mile away in a clear line of sight. This is not essential, but it can enhance Landroid ownership in a large garden. Maintaining a permanent connection with the cloud for mower control, alerts, scheduling, and over-the-air software updates. Once the module is connected, the receiver is just plugged into your router. Simple plug and play. To operate and control Landroid using a 4G connection, the Find My Landroid module is the solution. It uses an onboard prepaid SIM card to maintain a GPS and data connection to stay connected at all times. Perfect for a standalone solution when you don't want to or can't use your home Wi-Fi network. The geofence option adds an anti-theft function to your Landroid, activating as soon as it leaves the defined radius from your garden. If your Landroid mower is removed from your garden, you will immediately be notified via your smartphone that it's missing. The module will continue to send messages for 7 days using a separate internal battery installed in the module. You'll be able to both track where it is and remotely lock the Landroid with your smartphone. These are some of the accessories you can use to configure your Landroid, so it works exactly how you want it to work. Worx Landroid, Europe's best-selling robot mower.